Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Good morning. Today I will take your English marigold. And the chapter I will be taking today, that is merry-go-round, and today I will do some extra question and answers from here, okay? Merry-go-round. Yes, good morning to all of you. All of you take out your copies and do the work. Extra works I will do today. First, some mixed sentences. All of you take out your copies and cannot see you. From our side here it is no problem dear, it might be your internet problem. Ziyad, too bad. Disconnect the call and then rejoin. Disconnect the call and then rejoin. Picture quality is poor. Picture quality poor. Cannot see. All of you switch off your cameras. Then you can see me clearly. All of you. Susanna, please switch off the camera. Susanna, switch off the camera. All of you, please switch off the cameras. Then you can see me clearly. Okay, take out your copies. Fast. Make sentence first word. Shubhecha, switch off the camera. একবার করে switch off করবে, off করে দেবে। First is round. First word. Yes, all of you please mute your microphones and switch off the cameras. Round, I am here writing the shape of the ball is round. The shape of the ball is round. Yes, the ball is round. You can also write it like that also. Here I have written this, but if you want to write something else rather than this, you can also write, but that should be a correct one. The earth is round. Okay, that is also a correct one. You can write it. Here I have written the shape of the ball is round. Second word. Fear. Fear. Here I am writing, I love to go to a fair. I love to go to a fair. You can also write rather than this. Here I have written fear. I love to go to a fair. Number 3, third word, that is horse. Okay, Aryan, but I have seen a fair that would be a better one. Yes, Devayon, that would be also correct one. I love to buy toys in the fair. Good. You can write that also. What? Horse. Here I am writing. The color of the horse is brown. The color of the horse is brown. The color of the horse is brown. Let me see what you have written. The horse is sleeping. Okay, Adrija, it will be a correct one. I love horse riding. Yes, you can also write this also. I like to ride on a horse. Yes, that is also a good correct one. You can write that also. Okay. Here I have written the color of the horse is brown, and whatever you are telling me to write, then these are also correct ones. Okay, all of you completed. Will I erase now? All of you completed. Horse leaves. Shania, it will be horse leaves in a not from, it is farm. F-A-R-M, farm. Okay, will I erase now? Let me know from all of you. And the other ones? Okay. Now I am erasing. Okay, now I am erasing. Now let's do some fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. You will tell me the answers over here because the fill in the blanks are very easy. You will tell me the answers through the chat box. I climbed up on the dash and it went dash and dash. I dash up. I dash up on a big dash horse and it went up. It went dash and dash. Now tell me. Now tell me. Now you can see the board. Yes, the first one will be I climbed up on the merry-go-round. Yes, I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went. Yes, correct. Very good. Round and round. Yes, correct. And it went round and round. I climbed up on a big brown horse. Yes, correct. Very good. All of you are answering correct. Very good. I climbed up on a big brown horse and it went up and down. Yes, merry-go-round, round and round, and it went round and round. I climbed up on a big brown horse and it went up and down. Yes. So, all of you have written. Will I erase? Okay, all of you have written. Will I erase now? Yes, Shagun, Shaptorshi, Ziyad. Very good. Okay, I am erasing now. I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went round and round. I climbed up on a big brown horse and it went up and down. Okay, I am erasing now. One question I will write from here, that is, write the name of the poet. Write the name of the poet. So the answer is the name of the poet is Yes, correct. Devan, Kaustav, very good. Dorothy W. Baruch. Yes, Dorothy W. Baruch. Okay, the name, yes, good. The name of the poet is Dorothy W. Baruch. So, this is the only one question that I have given you extra. Okay, I am not erasing it, I am just writing it. All of you write it clearly, okay? And I will also provide this in your e-portal, don't worry. Okay? Whenever you complete, let me know, then I will erase the board. Okay, Kaustav, you have completed. Okay. Okay. I think all of you have completed, and today the time is up also. Okay. So now the time is up also. I hope you have completed, and I will also provide this in your e-portal. Okay. So today is up to this. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you study well and have a nice day. Bye. Bye.